Learn with Chef Elite 5 basic sauces that you can make in just 30 minutes. In this video, you will learn how to make emulsified sauces using my new kitchen partner, KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender. Cordless kasi walang cord. First, mayonnaise. Fresh egg, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt. Once the mayonnaise starts to emulsify and thicken, move the blender up and down to fully combined. Next, aioli. Fresh garlic, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, egg, blend, add olive oil, then season with salt and pepper. Next, vinaigrette. Garlic, Dijon mustard, cane vinegar, mix. Add olive oil, blend for 15 seconds. Next, chimichurri. Cilantro, white onion, garlic, bay leaves, oregano, peppercorn, salt, sugar, cane vinegar, and then mix. Slowly add olive oil. Adding parsley is optional. Next, pesto. Fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, garlic, parmesan cheese, lemon juice, and olive oil. Blend for 15 seconds. Alam nyo ba, kapag gumagamit kayo ng cordless hand blender, it will free you from the outlet. You can go wherever your recipe takes you in the kitchen. In short, hindi na kailangan i-plug sa outlet kasi rechargeable. Add to cart na!